Welcome to our video, 5 Essential Questions to Ask Before Going Solar, a guide for homeowners. If you're considering installing solar panels for your home, you're probably wondering what you need to know before making a decision. In this video, we'll be answering the top 5 questions that homeowners should ask before going solar. From understanding the costs and benefits to knowing what to expect from the installation process, these are the key factors to consider before taking the plunge. So if you're ready to learn more about what it takes to go solar, let's get started. How much will it cost? This is probably the most important question for most homeowners. It's important to get a clear understanding of the upfront costs of installing solar panels, as well as any ongoing maintenance costs. Don't forget to factor in any potential incentives or rebates that may be available to help offset the cost. Question number 2. How much electricity will the panels produce? You'll want to know how much electricity your solar panels are expected to generate, as this will help you understand the potential savings on your energy bills. Make sure to ask about the panel efficiency and the size of the system you are considering, as these factors will impact the amount of electricity produced. Question number 3. How will the panels be installed? It's important to understand the process for installing the panels on your roof or property. Ask about the experience and qualifications of the installation team, as well as the expected timeline for the installation. Number 4. What happens if something goes wrong? It's important to know what kind of warranty or maintenance support is offered with the solar panels you are considering. Ask about the warranty terms, as well as any maintenance or repair services that are included. Number 5. How will solar energy impact my home's value? While it's difficult to predict exactly how solar energy will impact your home's value, it's worth asking your real estate agent or doing some research to get an idea of what to expect. Some studies have shown that homes with solar panels tend to sell faster and for higher prices, but it's important to consider the specific market conditions in your area. That's it. Thank you for watching 5 Essential Questions to Ask Before Going Solar, a guide for homeowners. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you have more questions or you would like to learn more about solar energy for your home, you can find the contact and links in the description below. Also, if you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more helpful content with you in the future. Thank you again, and we hope to see you in our next video.